viewers, you remember this? It's my Springer SP-01 Shadow by ASG. I was really impressed with it at 10 meters, so I put a target, that paper, at around 15-16 meters. I don't have a rangefinder with me today, but let's say it's 15 meters. So a quick video. I have full magazine, 13 rounds of these, 0.25 grams. Let's try 15 meters with a Springer for accuracy. I think we have a hit, slightly to the right, wind. I need to correct for the wind. We have a hit, low, more wind, almost. We have a hit, again, again, 3 more rounds. Wow. Wow. I put few more rounds in. And we try again. We are missing few hits. We have a hit. Again. Wow. We have a hit. Wow. Another hit. Slightly low. Now high. And we are out. Yes, we are out. I'm impressed. I don't think any of my Springers will do the same. I'm really impressed. The sights are very nice. It's just a notch, but the front sight, as you can see, it's fiber optic, and hop up on this is pretty okay. Very nice grip. I think it's the best Springer handgun I have. By the way, I can show you something. I have it just behind the camera. Yes, this is the target we used in the video on 10 meters. Some are double hits. I put some 24, 25 rounds in this paper. I counted 15 hits, but as you can see, for example here or here, it's a double hit or maybe triple hit. So I really recommend this weapon. It's a Springer, but it's dead accurate. I'm really impressed. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.